afternoon. My name is Dr. Aditya Cahtterjee. I am one of the doctors who took this course, Farz Academy, the 3-day intensive course for MRCP PACES. From my personal experience, I can say that I had a very good and intensive preparation in these 3 days with the help of my mentors and with the brilliant management done by Dr. Asif. And regarding all the stations of MRCP PACES, every station was covered very with much accuracy and with a lot of dedication and time and energy by all of our mentors. Be it the clinical stations or the communications or the BCC stations, our mentors helped us out a lot. I did improve I did improve a lot on all of my skills. I got a lot of practice. We managed to see a lot of very real cases with real findings, and I also took the course back in October, and that time I was an observer, and this time I took the full course including the mock test, and I'm really getting a good feel out of the whole experience, and it's been a lot of help so far, and I hope that it's going to help me a lot for my upcoming thesis exam. Thank you.